guys, it's Bex here. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So getting straight into it, I will show you an unboxing video of Gel Box, and this is my first time working with this company, and this is a monthly subscription, the Valentine's special, but they do have a March box out, so check out their website. I will put it on the screen now and also in the description box, and let me know what you think in the comments. But let's get to unboxing. The first time you see it is the first time I see it, so let's see. So before I cut into it, let's just focus on the actual box. It's very nice and clean. I don't want to show my address. I don't even know, like, at the back is where your address and stuff go, but everything else is pretty much sealed with nice tape, nice decoration, and yeah, this is literally how it came. So you know, like, when it arrives, you know that's your box. If you're into stuff like this, like a monthly subscription, not knowing what you're gonna get, what you're gonna use, this is a nice way, like a nice surprise. I honestly like the concept. So, oh my god, look at that, look at it, that is so pretty. Again, this is a Valentine's special box. I was away for a while, so I never really had the chance to do a Valentine's special video in advance, but it's here now, yeah, maybe for next year. So you get little petals. Okay, now I'm messing things up, but and oh, this is so pretty. Happy Valentine's. Thank you for following our journey. And you get their website on there and their apps, and you get lovely stickers. Look at this. Definitely keeping those. Put that on the side. So already I can tell you guys that this is a well wrapped box, and it's well sealed, so you can see. Just have to take these out. I don't mind making a mess, but this isn't even a mess. This is literally good gift wrapping. Like, this already is exciting me. It's like, oh, what's under there? What's under there? So the first one, we have a Britpop nails, and it looks like it's a cuticle oil, I believe. Yeah, it is. Someone that works with cuticle oil, I know this is cuticle oil. So that's in there, and it's one of them ones where you twist it, so that's pretty cool. Put that over there. Oh, I love lollipops, so this is just a nice little gift. And you get a dotting tool. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I love that. And then here we have nice red hot gems. Oh, pretty. Oh, that's so nice. I really wish I had this sooner, because I could have made nice little nail art with it. These bottles are huge. So this is a gel portion, so gel polish, and it's pink. Oh, it says something at the back. It says Britpop nails. Happiness is freshly, no wait, I must start again. Happiness is freshly painted now, so keep calm and treat yourself. Oh, I love it. I love, and this is 20 mils, so this is quite huge. It's gonna last you ages. Oh wow, this is lush pink. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm examining the consistency. Love the consistency. Now the next bottle is Happiness is freshly, okay, so it's the same thing at the back, same bottle size, same like design, but obviously you have the different tip to show you the color. This is red. Oh my god, wow. Love the consistency because it's nice bright red, like darkish. No, I love this. This one is Unbreak My Heart. Oh, the other one was 2 become 1. So the pink one, two become one, and then unbreak my heart for the red one. And then we have a lovely pink purplish, I'd say. Wow, no guys, are you seeing this consistency? This is nice. One coat of this and you're actually done. You don't have to waste your time doing one coat, two coat, three coat. This is lovely. And this one is my girl. Yes. And we had a little issue with one of the boxes. So it comes with 4 gels. One box may have broke in transit, but I'm so sad. So this is glitter. This is a glitter one. And this one is Careless Whisper. Oh, the irony. Oh, the irony. I'm so sad, but I'm going to leave that in the box because I just don't want to spread the glitter everywhere, because this is lovely glitter. So guys, with everything that comes in the box, I genuinely feel like I can make nice nail art with them using the dotting tool, the different polishes, and taking care of my nails with the cuticle oil. I would definitely get this box. I'd recommend it. Of course, I will give them my honest feedback. Other than that, packaging was amazing. It's fun. It's like encouraging for me to open more. I want more. So that's definitely something I would put out there. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this far. Comment a love heart so I can show you some love back. And thank you to the gel box team as well for, you know, sending me this box. I loved every single part of opening it and showing you guys what is in here. I also love the concept. So what do you think?